Hello, this is the recording for week 3 in IS323. The week 3 discussion is due on Wednesday by 11:59. You have 2 elements to respond to. First, you're to discuss the benefits and potential drawbacks of using styles, including inline styles, internal style sheets, and external style sheets. Search the web for useful techniques involving styles and select one and describe how it works and how it could be used in a real website. Cite your sources using APA and don't forget your in-text citation. You need 2 replies by Sunday at 11:59. The week 3 assignment is due Sunday by 11:59. You're to complete the state and pencil tutoring case problem from tutorial 3. You will edit the HTML and the CSS files and zip all the files together and submit all of them in the zip file. So this is the before on the left. And after you apply the styles, this is how it looks it's supposed to look on the right. Now the quiz 3 is also due on Sunday, and it can only be taken once. Some of them I couldn't find, so I've just written out the statements. The second version of CSS, which is called CSS2, was introduced in 1998, expanding the language to provide styles to position elements at specific locations on the page. Style comments can be added to embedded style sheets as long as they're placed between the opening and closing style tags. Know what specifies the color of the element's foreground. That's in Appendix C12. WebKit, Mozilla, and Presto support similar extensions that mirror CSS3, background size, and background clip properties. Know what opacity is, that's on page 100. Know what the wildcard selector is, that's on page 109. Know the different font style property types, that's on page 168. Know what happens when you place the marker inside the virtual box, page 168. Know the markup tag for the main class, that's page 664. And just a note that some of these are not just in the words, they're also in the illustrations. Know what the result of the style, border style, bottom, double, single, what does that do? Use the asterisk to apply the styles to every element nested within the body element. Know what the subscript and superscript styles do, that's on page 83. Know how to make hypertext links show without an underline, that's on page 83. Know what an outline does, that's page 256. Know what the distribution of elements is, page 245. Know the different overflow property values, page 240. The exact order in which external style sheets and embedded style sheets are processed by the browser depends on the order in which they are listed within the HTML file. Know the difference between absolute units and relative units, that's on page 168. Know what a reset style sheet is, page 169, and know what browser supports CSS3. That's all I have for this week. If you have any questions, please let me know.